What's up, guys? Let's go play NBA 2K. Let me find it. No. Okay. There. We're gonna play 2 minutes and 4 quarters. As can you see, last time I played Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So this time it's NBA. Like and subscribe to my channel or else you would regret it. Just kidding. Who do you think needs to win the title? Still the undefeated champions? Or not?
Mag-try mo naman sa NBA. Ha?
Naka-video. That is so cool. Alright, let's play NBA. Alright guys. Let's go game mode. Join this. Are you ready? Good. Are you ready? I was literally late. This game is unfair, y'all. Three points. Hindi. Shot block, nice.
Let's play Roblox.
Also for 3. Bomb! 3 points! And
Double for him.
51 seconds left.
Okay, 51 seconds. Who cares about 51 seconds? Why not? Why I need to zip my mouth? No.
Physically.
Oh, sorry. Huh? Ano?
Ito.
Sino yung ninig?
Ito.
Ha?
Rinig ng mga nakanood.
Sa'yo?
So sorry. I forgot about broadcasting, sorry.
Ikaw naman,
Also,
narinig ka
also.
na nila.
That's wide open from deep.
I thought shut your mouth lang.
Ikaw lang. Misses. Rebound by number 47. Also, Ace Bailey. Misses the 3. Rebound 47.
I thought shut his mouth.
Joseph Nurkic. Bangs it home.
Guys,
Home court
he
advantage.
says shut my
Russell.
mouth.
Sa.
But easy for
End of the first quarter.
you. Thank you. I'm playing.
Guys, my sister's playing Roblox right now.
Guys, my color is addicted to MN right now.
Bro, that's not true.
My brother's playing ML a long time. Oh guys, my bad. Sorry. I just talked too much.
Dark Nowitzki with an easy 2
Guys,
points.
darkness. It's a darkness. Have a darkness, but have no respect.
Ooh, quick ISO. Shot blocked by number 47.
Have a no respect.
47 on the
Kasi
drive.
has-
47
has-
gets inside
has no
out to
respect to her
Bailey.
family. Because he has no respect to her family, guys. Sakit. Sakit. Mas masakit yung sa'yo, sinakal mo ako, ah. He's speaking Tagalog. Wow, bravo. Oh my gosh. The shortcut. At naman ako, nabasa pitang I know.
Wala. Sayang.
Speaking Tagalog. At English. At naman ako, namasapit ako pa. Skit. Wow, bravo for me. I keep on falling. This is my favorite game that I just keep on falling.
Tatum. No foul! No foul.
Yan na, foul. There. B.
Tatum for 3. Another. The last one is supposed to be a foul. Giannis wide open from deep. Too short. Rebounding Joseph Nurkic.
Oh my god.
Number 47.
Michael Andy.
Nice defense. Rebound Jokic. Jokic on the drive. Finds Tatum. Misses. That was a foul. End of the second quarter.
You can't have. Trolling. Go trolling people. Go.
Let's go, Lakers. Let's go.
They're not trolling people.
Lakad
Oh
ka
my
agad.
god. Okay, so they're not trolling people. I thought they're trolling. I thought they're not trolling people. That's bad, guys. If you troll
Russell.
somebody, they're gonna get revenge and slap you with
Bro, I should have fake. Oh my god. Giannis Antetokounmpo. From the
Hello, mga anak.
Naka-plug ako.
Naka-vlog ka? Wow.
Ako na ingay na nga sinakal pa ako eh.
Bang!
Diba? Sinakal
Bang!
ako, guys.
Baga.
Guys, kanina guys, sinasakal niya ako, guys. Guys, sinasakal
Imagine
niya-
nakakambakaw dito, guys.
Guys,
Imagine no.
sinasakal niya
Bantay,
ako,
bantay,
guys.
bantay. Bantay.
Guys,
Sabi ko bantay.
sinasakal niya ako, guys. Bad
Miss Watch.
siya, guys.
Nice D.
Bad siya, guys.
Nice rebound.
Okay, nice.
Pasa na!
Bogs. Yon, ML.
Tatum, libre.
May
Paano pala sablay? Munti ka na ma-rebound ni Jokic. Rebound ni Maravich. Pete Maravich. Pasa kay Williams from 3 points. Kasi sumahat ng bola. Kita si Jokic. Nabutaan ni number 47 na hindi ko to kilala. Tapaul pa si Jason Tatum.
Guys, gusto tayo binugbog. Sakit. Guys, binugbog na ako. Guys, kawawa naman ako.
Iulit ko ba to?
Ala.
Iulit ko to.
Jump ka pa. Teka naman, maniwala ka masaya.
Maravich na foul na naman ang Shea Gilgeous-Alexander ko.
Did you say a bad word, Mary? Na pao na naman?
Pete Maravich.
You literally said a bad word. Ano
Pete
din?
Maravich.
This art is for of the
Kita na gumulong magbasa.
This art, ano?
Wala. Ihip ko na lang.
Yes, thank you very much. You know
Wala.
that I love chicken nuggets, guys.
Ang kapit ko ako.
My bad. Aking wakas.
Wala.
Wow.
Sampu ng lamang dahil dito.
Oh my God, everything
Kasi umatake.
that I have, please the Lord.
Lays on the drive. Puts it up.
This.
Marinig ka. Ano nga?
Sorry nga. Ay, nako. May pag-asa ba ako?
Wala.
Points. Wala. Yay. Galing.
Pangit ka rin.
Pangit niya talaga, guys. Yaka, diri siya.
Hindi ka tuturuan dito ah.
Sorry.
100 lang yun. 100 na lang yun.
150,000 pesos siya, guys.
100. Oh! Paul! Uy, nice!
Nice day, nice day. Nice day.
Oh! ISO! 4-3!
Nice
Short!
day, nice day,
Rebound!
guys.
10
Nice day,
seconds.
nice day. Happy ang happy ng kuko mo, te.
Wala na ang time.
Hindi mo sinat si Patpat
Hindi ko nga pa siya na-add friend.
Ano yung...
Nag-chat ko na. Kalitan ko na.
Hindi. Agay!
Sabitin ko ba to?
Ang sakit. Ang sakit ng ginawa mo. Ang sarap kakulutin.
No! Victory na to!
Sakit ng kulot.
Victory na to. Parang shoot pa.
Mama, sakit ng ano niya, guys. Kulot niya, guys.
Iwan!
Sakit
Ah! Bagal!
Guys, sakit ng ano niya, kulot. Unfriend ko siya. Sakit ng ano, guys.
Ah, sorry.
Sakit, Kasa dito sa mata, guys. Sakit ko yung slime. Sakit yun. Ba't mo rin ginawa?
Hawak na ng bola. Tapos na. Ayun na. Tapos na. Uy. Step out. Di pa kasi pinapasahan si Tito. Hindi kasi nagkapalig-palig. Tara mo pang... Na. Nag
Wala ka na.
Tatum. Fadeaway. Rebound. Nurkic. Pasa kay Pete Maravich. Bas Junior holding. Final seconds. Russell is
Hindi, subukan mo manak.
Basta dumahak ng bola. Even yung number 13, libre na. Pinasok pa. Lamang na ang Utah Jazz ng 17 points. Antetokounmpo, libreng-libre sa 3. Bago na, pinutol ng 14. Kawawa na tong mga team ko na to. Countdown na lang.
Fired. Kumembot ng ganito. Gumin ng ganito. Ahas na piniti-piniti.
Backcourt violation.
Nananakit siya.
Kilang yan. Tapos na din eh.
Nananakit siya. Ng ganito.
2, 1. Tapos na. Manalo na ang team ni Karl Malone. Wait lang.